is all about perspective. We all wear a pair of glasses that determines how we see reality. Most of us never consciously choose this lens. We inherit it from our upbringing and our fears, which is why we often treat simple setbacks like the end of the world. But adulthood comes with a responsibility most people avoid. You must decide what kind of mind you want to live with. Your happiness, wealth, and relationships are all filtered through the glasses you put on every morning. The question that changes everything. When a problem feels urgent, overwhelming, or personal, I use a mental shortcut to instantly update my lens. Will this matter in a week, in a year, in 10 years? This simple question does two things. It slows you down. It forces perspective. Psychologists call this temporal distancing. Viewing a problem from the future strips away its emotional grip. You stop acting like every little inconvenience deserves your whole life. Clarity over comfort. Most of your suffering isn't caused by facts. It's caused by the false belief that the problem in front of you is permanent. It rarely is. Time lets you respond instead of react. This single question doesn't just give you comfort, it gives you clarity. And once you have clarity, you become hard to stop.